Hello, my name's Doug Bobinger, and I appreciate you taking a moment of your time to check out our hybrid approach to project management course. Over the past 10 years or so, there seems to be a tug of war between those who believe that Agile is the only approach to project management that should be used for projects going forward, versus those that believe that Predictive is the approach to project management. Here at IPDI, we believe that a hybrid approach is the approach that works best for most projects. There aren't a lot of projects out there that are done in a pure Agile environment, and there are not a lot of projects out there that are done in a pure Predictive environment. Successful project managers need to learn the tools to both approaches so that they can apply them to their projects as the project requires. One size does not fit all. This in-depth course looks at the various tools and applies them to projects from your organization. This course can be done both on-site and virtually. Check out the web page to see the topics that are discussed, and feel free to contact us via the contact page if you have any questions or if you would like a proposal. Thank you and have a good day.